Creating an invoice in MYOB is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, ensure you have the necessary information ready, including the customer's details, the services or products being invoiced, and the relevant tax rates. First, log into your MYOB account and navigate to the Invoices menu. From here, select the option to create a new invoice. You will be prompted to choose the customer you are invoicing, so select the relevant customer from your list or add a new customer if necessary. Next, enter the invoice details, including the date, invoice number, and any relevant reference numbers. You can also add a brief description of the invoice and select the relevant tax code. Now, add the items being invoiced by selecting the relevant services or products from your list. You can also add new items if necessary. Enter the quantity and unit price for each item, and MYOB will automatically calculate the total cost. If you need to add any additional charges, such as freight or handling, you can do so by selecting the Other Charges option. You can also apply any discounts or credits to the invoice. Once you have added all the necessary items and charges, review the invoice to ensure everything is accurate. You can also preview the invoice to see how it will appear when printed or emailed. Finally, save the invoice and select the option to print or email it to your customer. You can also set up MYOB to automatically send invoices to your customers via email. Best practices for creating invoices in MYOB include regularly reviewing and updating your customer and item lists, using clear and concise descriptions for each item, and ensuring all invoices are accurate and complete before sending them to customers. By following these steps and best practices, you can create professional-looking invoices in MYOB and streamline your accounting processes.